To make your GoDaddy website secure, start by enabling SSL encryption, which protects data transmitted between your site and visitors. GoDaddy offers free SSL certificates with most of its hosting plans. So check your account to see if you already have one. If not, you can purchase and install an SSL certificate from GoDaddy or a third-party provider. Next, update your website's software and plugins regularly, as outdated versions can leave your site vulnerable to security threats. GoDaddy offers automatic updates for many popular content management systems, including WordPress and Joomla. Make sure to enable these updates to keep your site secure. Another important step is to use strong passwords and two-factor authentication. GoDaddy recommends using passwords that are at least 12 characters long and include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. You should also enable two-factor authentication, which requires both a password and a verification code sent to your phone or email to log into your account. Additionally, consider enabling GoDaddy's website security features, such as its web application firewall and malware scanning tools. These features can help protect your site from common web attacks and malware infections. It is also essential to back up your website regularly, so you can quickly recover your data in case of a security breach or other disaster. GoDaddy offers automatic backup services, as well as manual backup options, so you can choose the method that works best for you. Finally, monitor your website's security regularly, using tools like GoDaddy's security dashboard to stay on top of potential threats and vulnerabilities. By following these steps and best practices, you can help keep your GoDaddy website secure and protect your visitors' data.